Find and replace command. For to search and replace the text name of blocks, layers, styles and dimstyle, we are going to use srjcad program command called find and replace. This command can be called through srjcad menu or by toolbar, or by command prompt. The short form to call find and replace command is FAR. When this command is called, Find and Replace tab will be opened. Select a table in drop-down list from where we need to search the text. Enter the text you want to search in the table in the edit box, and click Find button, for to display all the names containing the search text. Click Replace button, new Replace tab will be opened. Now enter the new text to replace with search text in the edit box. Click Replace button, for to rename all the searched name to be renamed with new name.